Anthropic just quietly dropped Claude Opus 4.7 and the benchmark jumps are absolutely insane. If you are doing any kind of serious agentic coding right now, this model just shifted the landscape. But before you blindly update your CLI and start vibing, there is a massive catch regarding your token usage and the API limit that you need to know about. Let's break down the reality of Opus 4.7. Skip the bluff and look at the actual developer benchmarks. First, let's look at raw number. The jumps in agentic number is massive. On SWE-bench Pro verified and Terminal Bench 2.0, Opus 4.7 is blowing past 4.6. The only place GPT 5.4 is still holding the crown is in agentic search and graduate level reasoning. What does this mean for your daily workflow? If you are building complex local AI apps like wiring up speakers, recognizing logic, and memory management in Python for a custom assistant like Luna, Opus 4.7 is going to handle those multi-file context window much better. The logical reasoning is noticeable sharper. But here is where front-end developers are going to win big. The vision capability got a massive overhaul. Images fed into Opus 4.7 are now processed as 3x the resolution, and the document reasoning jumped from 57% to over 80%. If you are doing heavy graphic designing or UI mockups for client, you can now fed cloud high resolution Figma screenshots and it will actually understand granular details. Getting it into spit out pixels perfect React component with Tailwind CSS, complex JSF scroll animations, and frame motion just got way more accurate because the model can actually see the micro interactions. Anthropic also updated their developer tools. Claude Code now has a brand new effort control setting called extra high, sitting right between high and max, and more importantly, Claude Code now default to extra high out of the box. They also dropped a new Ultra View command for dedicated deep dive code review and extend the auto mode functionality so it requires less babysitting. But there is a reality check. Opus 4.7 uses a brand new tokenizer, which means your input context is going to consume about 1 to 1.35 times more token than version 4.6. Combine that updated tokenizer with new extra high default effort level where the model thinks longer and you are going to burn through your API limit fast. You need to watch your uses closely. You still need to be aggressively cleaning your context window. Anytime you hit 20 to 25% capacity, wipe it clean. They also completely remove the extended thinking in this version. Overall, Opus 4.7 is a huge leap forward for web developers, but you have to manage your context tightly. Are you upgrading your workflow to 4.7 or sticking with 4.6 to save on tokens? Let me know down in the comments. Also, a quick update for the community. If you are a business owner or a startup looking to build high converting web applications, implement AI workflows, or if you need professional graphic designing and digital marketing, my digital agency InnoSpark Media is currently taking on new clients. If you want to hire me or my team to build your next project, just head over to the InnoSpark Media website, link below in the description, and share your project's detail with us. Drop a like, make sure you subscribe to Procoder09 family for more bleeding edge dev tools, and I will see you in the next one. Happy coding.